Okay, so today we are going to work on the online activities on page 123. On when 122 and 123, we will be looking at the video, the Telehistoria, and then work on those activities, 11, 12, and 13. Okay? The essential questions that you guys are going to be looking for are these ones. Number one, how do you say in Spanish, generally, he wakes up at 5 in the morning? So the reflexive pronoun, the reflexive verb that we're looking for is to wake up, okay? Also, how do you say in Spanish, number two, he trains in the evening? How do you say normally she takes a bath? That was, hold on a second, let me move this over here a little bit. The computer's a little slow. I have too many things open. Here we go. How do you say normally she takes a bath? Oh, sorry. She takes a bath and combs her hair after exercising. How do you say sometimes I shower and brush my teeth before I go to bed? That's number four. Number five is, how do you say Mateo brushes his teeth before exercising? Numero seis, how do you say I would like to have a clean white teeth like yours? Number seven, how do you say in my family we wake up early? Numero ocho, how do you say in my family we go to sleep late? Number nine, how do you say in Spanish, in my family we shower in the morning? And the last one, how do you say in Spanish, in my family we brush our teeth in the morning, at night, and at night. So these are the essential questions. There are 10 of them. These are based on activities 11, 12, and 13 in page 123. But before you're able to do that, let's watch the video that goes along with it. Just give me 1 second. Here it is. So this is Telehistoria. Remember, in page 122, you can always look at the script and all the things that are said during this Telehistoria. Remember, they are looking for this person. His name was Tobal, right? He was a soccer player, a very important soccer player in Argentina. Now, do you want to hear something really strange? I was just thinking about it. I know you guys that play soccer understand this, but we are in this chapter and we're talking about Argentina, right? And then these kids are looking for this famous, legendary Argentinian player, where the, not funny, but the tragedy is that one of the most iconic players in the world just passed away. Diego Armando Maradona, who was also Argentinian. He was almost like, he was so iconic as Pelé, almost. So it's very strange that we are actually watching this video. You know, that it's not Maradona, but it's they're talking about a famous player. So let's look at the video.
Estamos haciendo una película sobre un jugador de fútbol de la Copa Mundial y quieren hacer una película sobre mí. ¿Qué quieren saber? Sí, queremos saber cómo es su rutina. Por ejemplo, ¿a qué hora se levanta por la mañana normalmente? Generalmente me despierto a las 6 de la mañana para entrenarme. Yo también. ¿Se baña y se peina antes de hacer ejercicio? Normalmente después. Yo también. Pero a veces Me afeito antes de hacer ejercicio. ¿Y usted generalmente se baña o se ducha? Mateo,
¿Y qué pasta de dientes usa?
¿piensa en hacer una película sobre cómo me cepillo los dientes?
No. Quiero saber porque me gustaría tener dientes tan blancos como usted los tiene.
Okay, so that was the video. Remember, you guys can look at the script. The script is on page 122, right here. They are interviewing this famous soccer player from Argentina. Now, based on that, on the script, we're gonna go to the next page, which is page 123, based on this script right here. And then you're gonna answer the questions. In activity 11, what you have to do is make the corrections, the right corrections right here about the sentences. Some of the sentences are incorrect. So you just have to correct the errors in activity 11. So, for example, it says, los chicos quieren hacer una película sobre un jugador de los Juegos Olímpicos. The boys, the kids, want to make a movie about a player of the Olympic Games. Is this true or false? It's false, right? Because they want to make a movie about a soccer player that participated in the World Cup. So, los chicos quieren hacer sobre un jugador de la Copa Mundial. So what you guys gotta do here in this activity is restate the statement, but with the correct information, okay? Los chicos quieren saber cómo es la casa de Tobal, or do they want to know how Tobal is the name of the player, Tobal's house is? Generally, Tobal se despierta a las 5 de la mañana. Generally, Tobal wakes up at 5 in the morning. Is this true or false? Based on the script that you see there, you can correct it. If it's correct, leave it the same way. Tobal se entrena por la noche because he trains at night. Normalmente, Tobal se baña y se peina antes de hacer ejercicio. Normally, Tobal bathes himself, take a bath, and he combs his hair before he does exercise, before exercises. Because that doesn't seem right? Well, you just have to look at the video again if you like, or read the script. So these 6 statements, some of them are correct, some of them are incorrect. So you just have to make sure that they are correct, okay? Activity 12 here, you have 6 reflexive pronouns. Ducharse. Does anybody know what ducharse means? If you do, raise your hand so I can give you 10 points. Ducharse. Yeah, you take a shower. But remember, the translation, because it's an arse, will be to shower oneself, right? That will be, yes, ducharse, to take a shower, 5 points. How about peinarse? Who knows how to say peinarse? What peinarse means? Correct, 10 points to you. Guys, you can make a lot of points right now with these answers. Peinarse is to comb one's hair. Cepillarse los dientes. Brush what? Yes, brush your teeth. Dientes is teeth. Dental, right? Dental, dentistry. Diente, right? Correct. Cepillarse los dientes. 10 points to you. These points today are acostarse. Acostarse. Acostarse.
Go to bed.
To go to bed, to lay down, to lie down. Okay? 5 points to you. Ponerse la ropa. You guys at home, you guys can participate too. Ponerse la ropa. Ponerse la ropa.
To put on clothes.
Correct, to put on clothes. Ponerse is the verb to put on. Ropa is clothing. Ponerse la ropa. Good job. 10 points to you. Dormirse. Dormirse. Correct. to go to sleep. 10 points to you. Write that down. So what you got to do here, they give you the reflexive. This one is despertarse. So you have to use that and state what is it of how things are done in your family. The student A says, en mi familia nos despertamos temprano. Notice that we're using the reflexive pronoun nos because you're referring to us, to ourselves, right? So you would change, oh, what did I do there? Sorry about that. You would change the reflexive, obviously, the reflexive verb, the end dated to nosotros form because it's in our family, and then you would put the reflexive pronoun in front. En mi familia nos despertamos temprano. Now the other student will say, mis padres se despiertan a las 6, mis hermanos y yo nos despertamos a las 6:30. So that's what you have to do. One is going to be in the nosotros form, and the other one is going to be in the ellos, ellas, and ustedes, which will be se, will be the reflexive for that. Okay? Is this clear? What you have to do? Use the nosotros and also describe what they do. Who's they? Your dad, your mom, your brothers, your uncles, whoever lives with you. Okay? All right, so now activity 13. Activity 13 is a little more creative. Vendemos lo mejor. So here, what you have to create, you're gonna create a little bit of an advertisement, okay, for a new bath or hair product. Anything for the bathroom, okay. So this one right here says la super toalla, super towel, right? Sécate mejor, get dry better, okay. So you just create something in Spanish, okay, and they show it to me, or obviously if you're at home, do it right here on the question and write it down. All you gotta do is write some interesting sentences. For example, this one says, ¿Quieres secarte rápidamente después del baño, de bañarte? Do you want to dry yourself rapidly after you take a bath? Entonces necesitas nuestra toalla. Then you need our towel. So something like that, okay? So it doesn't have to be too extensive, just something that catches your, something that calls attention, okay? An advertisement. Show it to me, and based on your out, because this one requires a little creativity, I will give you more points. This one is worth 5 points, but I will give you 10 based on your creativity or more, okay? So that are doing today. Also, in your workbook today, you can do the next pages that are following. The pages that you could do is, I'll show you right now. Pages 47 and 48 will be the workbook pages. So in recap, complete the essential questions, activities 11, 12, 13, and if you have time and you want the points, complete pages 47 and 48 in your workbook, okay? So that's what we are doing today. Any questions, guys? Good? Okay.